Where possible, as number 5, government offices, businesses, and companies are encouraged to allow employees to work from home, with the exception of employees working in critical or essential services. Number 6, in order to avoid the risk of transmission through physical handling of money, we encourage the use of cashless transactions, such as mobile money, M-Pesa and otherwise, and credit cards, and we appeal to mobile operators and banks to take note of the situation that we are in and to reduce the cost of transactions during this period.
Just like the rest of the countries, Kenya is also threatened by health, economic, and social effects of COVID-19 pandemic. Given that agriculture in Kenya is central to the economy, the study determines the medium-term macroeconomic outcomes of the pandemic on the Kenyan economy and links the results with the detailed food security and nutrition microstimulation module. The COVID-19 pandemic has put significant pressure on health systems all around the country. The drastic measures established to contain its spread are creating serious impediments to economic activity, including agri-food system, and consequently to livelihoods and food security and nutrition. COVID-19 outbreak demonstrates how both health and food systems are linked to one another and how local food systems are linked to global systems. The precautionary measures continue to have negative economic impacts on businesses. However, Mr. Fred Oloibe, Acting Managing Director of Kenya Seed Company Limited, explains how government is working to ensure sustainability of resources, strengthen infrastructure and food systems to avoid or minimize food crises in the future, as well as maintaining livelihoods and reducing food and nutrition insecurity among households.
My name is Fred Oloibe. And looking at the Kenya Seed Company, we are a food security company and handling production of seed, top quality, and distribution, sale across the country. And so we play a major role in the food security of this country. And as far as COVID-19 is concerned, we've put in place measures to safeguard our farmers, to those who produce the food in the country.
Therefore, it's recommended that with concerted action, the government can not only avoid some of the worst impacts, but do so in a way that supports a transition to more sustainable food systems that are in better balance with nature and that support healthy diets and thus better health prospects for all.
For our case, we put in elaborate measures to ensure that seeds are distributed across the country without any problem. I would like to thank the government because seed is one of those essential services, and we've been able to move the seed across the country without an issue. In addition, for Kenya Seed, we have over 10 branches across the country. We also have over 2,000 agents and stockists. We've also been able to work very closely with the people who do the distribution and sensitizing them so that they are able to put in place the necessary protocols to prevent the consumers and passing of the virus across the country. So we've been good as far as seed is concerned, and all the farmers, as far as we are concerned, have planted the seeds on time, and everything is going as per plan.
Dorothy Otieno, MMU TV.